Hi there, I'm Peter Gorton, Master Chef of Great Britain and a consultant chef. And today I'm going to do a real simple recipe for you that you can do at home with the kids, and it's called coconut kisses. Right, the ingredients are 100 grams of coconut into a bowl, desiccated coconut, 80 grams of brown sugar, 30 grams of plain flour. In it all goes 2 egg yolks, but keep the egg whites on the side, like that. And then, this is optional, some vanilla essence or other flavouring, whatever you like. Then, 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, and you just pour that in, and then I'm just going to mix all of that together with a spoon. So if I just show you that, there you go, look. And then you take the whole thing and you just get stuck in and you mix it really, really well. Now, if you've got the kids, you can get the kids to do this with you. Get them to get their hands in there, get them to get dirty. This is Honey Bear, by the way, and Honey Bear helps me all the time when I cook with the kids. Isn't that right, Honey Bear? Yeah, definitely. And do you like this recipe? Yeah, he says the recipe's superb. So, let's keep mixing it. When you've mixed it a bit with a spoon, then get your hand and get stuck in and just mould it basically into a dough shape. That's what you're trying to create. Now if I just mix it a little bit more, and I shall show you. A little bit more. There we are, right. That's the sort of texture you want to have. Now push it in your hand and form little balls. Now, when you're pressing it, if it feels a bit hard to press like this, keep working it. And they come out like this, like little balls. Put them on a bit of Bakewell paper on a baking tray. I'm going to do, this mixture does 12 individual kisses. Coconut kisses. I'll put another one there. I'll just do one more, because this is it. This is how simple the recipe is. It really, really is a doddle. And the kids will love it. And it's something different for Easter, really. One more, just to show you. Right. On like that, then take your thumb or a spoon and press down so you get the shape, and press down and then shake them on there like that, because you want them all shaped nice like this. Beautiful. Right, now they're ready. I'll just push that to the side. A good chef is a clean chef. So let me just tidy up. Now if you do have problems and it sticks to your hand like that, just add a little bit of flour. Mix the flour in when you're mixing it and it'll work really, really well. Okay, there's some I've already prepared earlier, but you would take those and you put them in the oven and you bake those 180 degrees for 15 minutes, but obviously check the oven because ovens do vary. And there we have it, the finished item. Coconut Easter kisses. And I'm going to put those all on this plate over here, look. Like that, and I've put the eggs in there. So what I've done, when they've come out the oven, I've allowed it to cool for about 5 minutes, the kisses, and then I put the eggs in. And these are just your little chocolate eggs that you can buy in most shops. And then a little bit of icing sugar over the top. Oh, look at that. So then, Honey Bear, what do you think about those? They look delicious, don't they? Yeah? He says they look delicious. Now I'm going to try one because the proof is in the pudding. Oh, delicious. Crunchy on the outside, gooey in the middle. If you like the recipe, go to my Facebook page, Peter Gorton Consultancy. But most of all, be safe and happy cooking.